Hello guys and welcome to the channel. My name is Helen and on today's video I have a super special unboxing for you. It is a little beauty haul from this brand that actually I've never ordered before. It's called Beauty Bay. It is based in the UK. And as I said, it's the first time I ordered from them. I ordered a few pieces that I wanted and it was the only website that offered some sort of discount. So I was super excited because the products do not come cheap. So any extra discount always helps. So let's unbox and show you the products. I have already opened the box by the way, and I have tried two of the products because I just wanted to get a feel of them before I present them to you, but the other two I haven't tried them. So voila, I've got 4 products from this brand that, to be honest with you, up until now I've never heard. It's not new, but it's relatively new. So the brand is called Nudestix. It is a female owned company. It's mother and daughter, and the concept is that they create makeup that it is also natural and very, I would say, the majority of the products that they have, even though I haven't tried them all, they give me the vibe of very natural makeup, but no makeup, if this makes any sense at all. I'll ensure to include some clips from the website, and the reason why I became familiar with this product is because of this recent craze with Sofia Richie's style that I am here for it. I love her style, not just her fashion style, but also her makeup and her whole aesthetic as of recently, because before the wedding era it was a different story. But you know, we all change, and the aim is to always improve and get better. So I'm going to start with the first product, which is actually the first product that I unboxed and tried on myself, and I'm wearing it a little bit. Actually, it's this one. So all of the products come in this case, which is amazing because it has a little mirror. So if you want, you can carry the product like that in your bag, and you have your little mirror. I really like it. Actually, I might even use the mirror while I'm applying the product. So this is from the Nudist Bloom collection. I think they have 3 Nudist collections: the Bloom, the Matte, and another one. Yeah, I don't have the other one, so I only have from the Bloom and the Matte. So this one, guys, is the Cherry Blossom Babe. The packaging is very minimalistic, all black, and over here you have the name of the product. It has 2 ends, so where the title of the product is, you open it and it's the actual product. So this is the color. Let me bring it closer and try not to move much. And then on the other side, it comes with a little brush. For someone who is not big on makeup, and I don't have a brush, let's say, for everything, I think I have 3 brushes in total. This is very convenient because it helps me apply the product so easily. I also apply it with my fingers, but sometimes the brush is quite nice. So let's apply 2 dots of this one on the right cheek, and then I'll keep the other cheek for the other product. Oops, the mirror. So 1, 2, so you can see the color. It's a beautiful pink color. They have beautiful pinks, I have to say. And I'm going to use the little brush, and I like to apply the product at the very high end of cannot see now, of my cheek and just pull it upwards. But as I said, you can also use your fingers for that. So we can see a little pop of color there. It looks very natural. It lasts. That's super important, and it's a beautiful like flash of color on your cheeks. I really like it. So Cherry Blossom Babe, they describe it as dewy color. And one thing I haven't mentioned about these products is that they are multifunctional, which means that you can apply it on your eyelids as well, all over. I mean, if you want to put a little bit on your nose or here or even here, then blend with other products that you may use, you can do it. And also you can put it on your lips, which is amazing. I'm going to apply a little bit on my lips because I can see that my lips are a little bit on the ghostly side. I think I prefer this product on my skin instead of the lips, but nevertheless it gives a beautiful color. Let's move to the second Nudies product. This is from the Matte Looks range. Again, the same packaging, little mirror there. They include some paper here, and this one is the Juicy Melons. I have to say that there were some colors that I wanted to purchase, like Picante that Sofia wears, the Sun Kiss, which is super popular and beautiful color, but they were completely out of stock. I think there is a craze about certain products from the brand, so I'll just keep out when they will be restocked to purchase the ones that I want. So again, the color is very similar because these are my favorite tones when it comes to cheeks. And I will apply 2 dots here. I will apply this one with my finger. Can we see the color? It's a beautiful peachy rosy, I would say. And it's so easy to just apply and blend with your finger. Do you think this color is a little bit more vibrant than this one? Because yeah, that's what I think. And I guess it all depends on how much you blend it, right? But I think this is a little bit more vibrant, so I'm happy with that. The third product is a highlighter. I currently have a highlighter from Westman Atelier, which I absolutely adore, but it's about to finish, so I had to restock. So now, price-wise, Westman Atelier is quite an expensive brand. Of course, I can always get it at Harrods with my discount. But I decided to purchase a highlighter from Nudestix just to try it, and the price was quite attractive because it was on sale and I had an extra 10% off. So this one, they have different shades. I decided to purchase the Bubbly Babe. I love the names. They're so funny. And here we have the same concept. We have the product here. Can you see? And at the end we have the brush. So I'm just going to take a little bit with my finger. Of course, I don't have a professional camera, so you can't really see the product. Apologies for that, but I will apply a little bit. I like to apply the highlighter with my fingers on exactly the spots that I want it to go. Yeah, it gives a super natural glow. Again, this is a product that I've tested once I received the parcel, and it does stay for hours, which is super important. And the last product that actually I haven't opened, I'm going to open it now with you. I'm pretty sure I had scissors, yes. So this is again another multi-functional product. This is the Intense Matte Lip and Cheek Pencil in Sun-Kissed Rose. So this is the only Sun-Kissed something product that I found in stock, because everything else was out of stock. So this is a pencil. I think it's a chunky pencil. It comes with something to sharpen the pencil. It's really difficult to open it. I don't have any fingernails to help me with this. Okay, we're there. So you apply it on the cheeks, sorry, on the lips, and then you draw your cheeks, you apply it there. I love multifunctional products. Let's see the color. So this is how the color shows here. To me it looks very brown. Oh, it is brown. I'm not sure about that. I'll come a little bit closer. Okay, let's see. Actually, this will look a little bit scary. Let's see. Oh, I have lipstick on my teeth. Oh. So they say, that you should draw your lips fast. I don't usually draw my lips. Okay. The color is a little bit deep for me, but it looks natural. I think I have overdrawn my lips here a little bit and I look like a clown. I'm not good at drawing at all. And I think this is the sort of product that but that personally I would apply with something like a lip balm, just to fill my lips super smooth and soft. And then the idea with this one, so this is the color. I like it. It's a little bit richer, but it's super, it's a natural shade. So the idea here is, let me just find the brush. I only have 4 products, but I've created a mess on the floor. So I'm gonna use a brush for this one. Yes, cherry blossom brush. So the idea is you do ton. I've never done this before, guys. Let's see. Oh my gosh. I have to say that the pencil is not that long, so there's not a lot of product, but this product is cheaper than the other ones that I showed you. The other one that I showed you are £30. This one, I don't remember how much it is, but I will ensure to include. Okay. What do we think? I think I haven't placed it in the right spot because I couldn't see it properly, but I like the color. It's very natural, very subtle, not too loud, and of course the more you blend, you can control the color that you'll get on your skin. So this is it. I'm gonna stay a while with this lip situation on, just to see how I feel about it, and I want to see if my lips feel dry, because I had subtly placed some lip balm, the lip.com balm from Glossier, before I started filming. So I do have some softness on my lips, but they are a little bit cracked, I have to say. So yeah, let's see how I feel about this. I think this lip pencil, it's nice to mix and match with a gloss on top of it. I have a beautiful one, I don't have it here, from Charlotte Tilbury, Hall of Fame. It's almost finishing, but I put it on top of many lipsticks and it looks so good, so glossy, so beautiful, so natural. So voila, this was my Nudestix haul. I really want to know if any of you have tried products from the brand. Of course they do. They have the nude body series. I don't think many retailers sell products. For example, Beauty Bay, I didn't see anything. I saw products for the skin, but I have to say that I'm quite particular with my skincare. I have my products from the brands that I really love and trust. So I wouldn't necessarily explore many products from their range, but with the makeup I was happy to try this and see how I feel about. But for the body as well, I would like to try some, especially if they have a scrub. I don't have a scrub at the moment. I would really like one. So let me know what you thought of the product. If you've tried the brand, if you love the product, your thoughts on this. If you are a fan of Sofia's style, I am a big fan of Sofia's style. So elegant. And thank you so much for watching. If you have enjoyed this content, ensure that you give a like to the video to support me, comment to encourage me to keep going, and smash the subscribe button so we can grow this community even more and bigger. Until the next video, guys, many Nudestix kisses to all of you. Ciao, guys.